It's me. This is Mel.
This is Tel. It's Kel.
I'm the original.
I'm the starring. And I'm the cool.
And today we're gonna do Subway Surfers.
And I'm first. Wait.
Subscribe and like.
Make sure to hit that like button, guys. I'm serious.
Okay, I'm gonna use the ninja because
Break it up.
this is the one I have.
That wasn't me, by the way.
We're gonna see who could go the longest. But we gotta keep it short. What?
I'm gonna check the status.
For what?
In case someone watched our videos yet. It's taking forever.
Melvin, you should get a list so you guys should get a list so we can write the scores and see
No. No.
fine.
This is Mel.
I'm sorry, guys. We're actually.
We're checking if anyone watched it yet.
So.
No, strapped. Who's next?
Me.
Wait. Let me show the camera. I got a saw. Stop that. Okay. I got 7,938.
That's how many. What's the Ninja White? Why is the Ninja White? Hi, guys. Okay. I haven't played this in a while.
Oh, there's Clash of Clans. I can't notice it with that red thing.
Okay, guys. I haven't played in a while, so I'm probably gonna lose. Hi, guys. Hi. This is actually pretty hard. Tasha. Oh, shoot. I wonder how he's fat but fat. I mean, how he's fast but fat. Oh!
What you got? Show the camera.
Wait.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
That sucked.
4,000. No, 5,000.
5,187. Hallelujah!
I still got more. Melvin, it's your turn.
Circus, circus, afro, polka dot. Wait, I need an important announcement to do.
Okay.
Please celebrate Thanksgiving by a turkey who let you kill him for food. And celebrate Veterans Day for all those people who serve our country. Serve them like we serve you.
Okay, I went on a different goal. Alright.
Okay.
I don't like Subway Surfers.
Wait.
I'm sorry, Subway Surfer lovers.
Let me show them the.
And we are doing a Clash of Clans video, just not right now, right?
Yep.
Kel,
No.
tell.
Tell
Yeah,
them
no,
to
right
stay-
now.
I'm Kel. I'm
Come on,
Kel.
sit down, people.
Wait. I would.
Could you be in it?
Melvin, you're playing.
Oh, I don't like this.
Too bad.
I suck at this. I think Temple Run is better. No offense,
Subway
Subway Surfer lovers.
and the creators.
Don't really care. See. Tasha. What is a Tasha?
I don't know.
That's just a word that you get for like a coins bonus.
This is so slow. Does it get faster?
Mhm.
Okay, well, it's taking forever. Just saying. How do you guys like this? What?
You get the lowest.
No.
Wait, no, you beat Carlos. You beat Carlos. You're second. Wait, we might got it
In front
wrong.
of the camera, a good thing or a bad thing?
Bad thing.
I fell off.
Okay, 5,200.
No!
223.
I got better. Oh, sorry.
I was first place. I got 7,000.
I got third. He got second. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Say bye. Subway.
Wait, no, we have to do our.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Mel.
I'm Tel.
I'm Kel.
I'm the original.
I'm the historian.
And I'm the cool guy.
And that was React to Subway Surfers.